So, what do you like to do for fun?
My name is Jose.
The wrong number.
My name is Jose.
So, how are the new powers working out?
They're great! What? You heard us right! I've been dodging traps all day! I didn't get hurt once!
I do not mind the silly noodles.
Yeah, I'm keeping the fish talking powers.
My name is Jose.
You are the man!
Are you kidding me? I gave you guys the stupidest powers ever!
You might have given us stupid powers, but at least they're different.
Yeah, it's a nice change of pace.
Red alert! Looks like Gizmo is staging a robot invasion from a floating fortress. Titans, go!
Hey, Titans, what's wrong with your powers? Shouldn't you be a donkey or something, Beast Boy?
Ha ha ha! I got me some new thinking powers, you little fool!
And I have the power of the stretchy body parts.
And I can talk to fish.
My name is...
Not now, Jose.
So you switched your powers for lame powers?
That's right, Gizmo. We were desperate for a change.
That's dumb.
I'll handle this. Stand down, Gizmo! You are no match for me now that I have Superman's powers! Ooh, I sense now you got to watch out for that kryptonite, Superman Mama! What are the chances of Gizmo having kryptonite? Kryptonite, my only weakness.
Why do you think Superman doesn't mess with me?
Ah! He's gotta change us back, Mama!
We cannot defeat the Gizmo with the terrible powers!
Too weak. Can't change your powers back.
What are we gonna do?
Titans, listen! Aqualad, Saturn Girl, Vibe, and Plastic Man might have dumb powers, but if they can use them to defeat villains, so can we! Starfire, Slingshot!
Huh?
Go!